Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. How are you doing? Happy Friday, happy Friday. How are we all doing today? The chat. Sup, Cat Adventure? Sup, PDG? Sup, Ches? Good morning, everyone. Nice, Cat Adventure. That's a great way to end a Friday. Thanks for tuning in, as always, and liking everyone. Means a lot. Thank you, guys. Happy Friday. Is the camera good? I think we straight. We straight. Good morning, Josh. Bass Master, gotta do some fishing, man. Gotta touch some grass, catch some fish. It's all good, Josh. You'll bounce back. Sup, Josh? Another Josh. Sup, Josh? Josh and Josh. Double Josh. Yeah, Josh. Yeah, you gotta... Yeah, size down. It's okay. It happens. I've over-leveraged before, man. Yeah, I used to do a lot of over trading and over leveraging. No bueno. Oh wait, no. This is the funded. Yeah. Yep. And then we got some challenges. Gotta work on these. Yeah, Josh is for the win. Double Josh. Double Joshes on a Friday. Hey guys, quit joshing around. Well, we're kind of forming a range right here. We had, I think, big sell-offs, yeah? Yeah, we had big sell-offs since Asia session. Yeah, we're down a lot. We're in the low 23,000s, like 23,500s, yeah. Mid 23,000s. A lot of stocks sold off, too, like Nvidia sold off. Nvidia is like, let me see. I think it's like 168. 169. A lot of things sold off today. Meta's down 3.6%. Yeah, a lot of things took a lot of stocks took a hit today. Silver is up 5%. Silver doing silver things. Josh, yeah. I mean, yeah, that's the problem with over trading and over leveraging. It really bites back on you. If you're up 600 a day, Josh, try like maybe like if you go back down to like 300, maybe 400, maybe like stop if you're going to keep trading or something like that. I'm using on the challenges 10 micros per account on the challenges. How fast is it moving? It's not moving too fast. Yeah, 2 to 4 micros has been better in this market. Very tricky price action recently. PG? I don't know, man. What do you think? Because, like, yesterday, if we took the short at my original entry like we planned, we would have caught, like, 20, 30-point trades. But I know when I enter on my normal entries today, we're going to get stopped. What should we do, guys? Should we enter on my stop loss again? It would have worked out. No, it would not have worked out yesterday. Yesterday, we would have made money on our original entry. Very strange. I don't know. The market makers are really watching our stream, guys. I don't know. They're on to us, guys. The market makers are on to us. We're pissing them off, guys. They don't like our streams. Dun, dun, dun. You think so, Perp? Maybe, yeah. But literally, though, every first trade on stream, on this account particularly, we've been getting stopped out at our stop loss, and then it runs in our favor. And a lot of times we get top ticked or bottom ticked, and then it runs in our favor. Very strange. It actually happened, like, numerous times. Yeah, it's a coin flip. Alright. I'll just trade normally today. I'll trade normally. We'll see. We'll see. We're kind of forming a range, so we can maybe play the range. This would be near the bottom area, and this is kind of like the top. Perp, that's not a bad idea either, actually. That's not a bad idea. That's not a bad idea. That's not a bad idea at all. Yeah. We tried it yesterday. What's up, Mike? Doing good, man. How you doing? Probably got scalped this market. I've been also noticing that scalping has been better than holding my winners. Scalpers market, guys. Scalping. Gonna scalp. Hey, what's up, No Time? How you doing? What's up, Eddie? What's up, guys? Happy Friday, everyone. Fishing Friday. Gotta catch some hogs. Gotta go hunting later. Hunting for some bass, man. Oh, yeah. Yeah, gonna watch the UFC fights this weekend. Yeah, it's gonna be sick. Nice, No Time, yeah. That's great. Yeah, now you're chilling, man. Done for the week. Friday. Sit back, relax, enjoy the weekend. Yeah, guys, it's nice to take breaks from trading, man. Especially ending on a good note. Mike, that seems like a really good trade. I don't know. I never traded gold, so I don't know how much 150 pips is. But sounds like a good trade. 150 pips. But, Mike, maybe, like, trimming, if you're in multiple contracts, trimming and trailing your winner will help you hold a winning trade. No Time? It's nice, yeah. It's nice spending time in nature and actually getting off times off the chart. Feels good. And also, like, not listening to music or anything on a walk sometimes. It's really nice. Like, just walking in nature and you just hear everything. Because you can hear all the leaves, the wind, if there's water nearby. It's nice. Sometimes, recently, I have not found any taste for any music or podcast or anything. And I'll just be, like, just silence. It's actually not bad. Like, a silent drive was actually not bad. I had, like, the window rolled down on a sunny day. It's actually pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. Nice, Lafta. 500 bucks? That's a great way to end a Friday, man. Javier and Mai right here could pop up right back in this range. We'll see. Because right now it's kind of forming a range. Yep. And sometimes I worked out in the gym recently with no music. It's actually kind of nice. I didn't realize how, like, quiet the gym is without you having, like, blasting music in your ear. Like, you could hear everything. Like, you could hear people, like, talking and like, the weights and all that. It's kind of a completely different environment from when you have, like, fully blasted, like, music going and then, like, just silence. It's, like, completely different. It's good to switch it up. Because, like, lately when I've been trying to listen to music, I'm not vibing to, like, anything. And I'm like, I'll just be quiet. And it's actually kind of nice. Yeah, can we talk? It's like, it's very nice and relaxing. Yeah, hearing all the birds, the chirp, the wind. When you walk, you can hear your footsteps. It's actually really nice. Yeah, because, like, when you listen to, like, especially, like, loud music, you have your music volume loud. And you're constantly listening to your favorite songs. It's, like, constant stimulation for your brain. It's nice to, like, relax and detox from that. Dopamine detox, guys. We gotta go on a dopamine detox and touch some grass out in nature. We're out in the boonies, yeah. It's actually pretty nice, guys. Guys, try like going on a walk in nature, like on a trail or whatever, just like somewhere outside. No music, no nothing, no earpods. It's pretty nice. Thank you, Shino fan. God bless. Thank you for using my code. It means a lot. Good luck on that account, man. Get it funded and get it to payout, man. Nice, Shino fan. Well, Mike, I mean, a win is a win, man. So if you profited on that trade, that's a win, man. Really. But yeah, it's just learning. So hey, Mike, a small win is better than a small or big loss. You know what I'm saying? Green is green. So that's great progress, Mike. And now what you need, what you need to work on is holding your winners, Mike. So, like I said, like if you want to try and hold your winners, like maybe the best approach, in my opinion, is like if you're in multiple contracts, like trim, and then like trail your winner. That way you're still locking in gains and you're reducing the risk, but you're letting your winners, your runners can do some damage. I don't know how like pips work or anything, but it should be like the same concept, I think. Hey, what's up, Isaac? Yeah, can we talk? Yeah, sometimes, yeah, people get hungry. I need a manual lockout at dinner time. I'm very disciplined during the morning and day about not eating like a lot, and I eat healthy. But then dinner time, I'm like, I eat a lot sometimes. I'm like, oh man. But I'm fasting right now. Happy Friday, everyone. Good Friday. We're fasting. No meat today. So I'm just coffee and water. Yeah, we're fasting now. Let's go. Man, yeah. Yeah, it's been a tough week and last week. All this war stuff. Shino fan is very nice. Yeah, walking in nature with no music. It's so nice. Man, yeah. I only recommend copy trading, guys, if you're like consistently good at trading and you got a few payouts, with like 1-2 accounts, and now you're comfortable, step it up, and you're like consistently doing good. But like some people first starting out, they ask me like, oh, should I get like 5-10 accounts? I'm like, no. I'm like, literally just get one account, start slow, try and do good with it. Especially when you're first starting out, you're gonna blow accounts. So it's like you don't want to be copy trading in the learning phase. Even like me, like I've blown like multiple accounts, like copy trading, it sucks. Like 5 accounts, that's like $500, 50Ks. Hey, what's up, Alex? Yeah, it's 12 p.m. Eastern time. Yeah, we're 3 hours back. It's 9 a.m. for me. Morning grind. Eddie, at the moment I like shorts better, but we gotta be careful because it's kind of forming a range, and then it's kind of like bouncing out this bottom area and then coming up to here. So if it's forming a range and it is the range, then we could maybe play the range. So I don't know, we'll see. It can literally do anything, especially this week. Oh yeah, you gotta scream and yell out in nature. Mike, you shouldn't become angry, man. I mean, green is green, man. You're doing good. You're proving a lot better, Mike. So don't get angry about yourself. But that's good that losses are not affecting you. That's improvement, Mike. Because I remember you were struggling with that like a month or two ago, Mike. So that's great improvement, man. Yeah, thank you guys for liking and subscribing. Thank you, No Time. It means a lot, guys. Yeah, because when you're copy trading 5 accounts, 50K, I mean, the 50Ks are like, yeah, $500, generate $100 at each account. Oh, the 150Ks are worse, man. That's like around $200 each. Well, that's $1,000. It's a lot. And then the Apex 20 accounts with the activation fees, you're looking at like $2,500, $3,000 if you pass on your first try. Yeah, that's a lot of money. With the smaller accounts, not the bigger accounts. Bigger accounts are more expensive with Apex. Man, yeah, you can't let it affect you. You just gotta bounce back and come back stronger, man. Next week is a new week. Really learn from your losses this week, man. Size down. Try not to copy trade. Maybe, like, go back to one account, maybe. It depends on you. But, yeah, man, just, like, learn from your losses this week and then come back next week stronger. Size down. Size down, definitely. Oh yeah, you guys like that video? Yeah, I used to do a lot of raw talks on this channel. I used to post them a lot. I gotta do that more. It's actually nice doing those raw talks. Yeah, I'll do more of those raw talks, guys. I like doing those, and a lot of people like them, and it helps them. Yeah, the 150Ks, yeah, they can get pretty pricey. I only recommend them if you like a bigger trading in a bigger size, or you like more drawdown. But most of the time, 50Ks. Yeah, that's good. Micros are the way right now. No worries, Mike. No worries. You can ask all your questions in the comments. I'll answer them as best as I can. Here to help you guys. Alright, yo, what's up, guys? Casinatortrades back with another video. In today's episode, we are driving the 2007 Honda Fit. Rushing to the lake in my 2007 Honda Fit. Dude, I freaking love that car, man. That thing rips. Dude, I can get like 70, 80 on the freeway, man. Yeah. Like, dude, this dude was in a loud-ass Camaro. So freaking loud. I'm not hating on the Camaro or whatever, but he had like the muffler or whatever. It was so loud. Bro, the Honda Fit, no mods, nothing. I passed him so easy. I'm like, what the heck? Like, loud, super loud. I'm like, gosh. The Honda Fit surpassed the the Camaro. But it was just so loud. Yeah, Trump's been doing a lot of stuff. A lot of insider trading and manipulations going on, man. Yeah, Hondas last forever. Humble Honda, man. The Honda Accord, yeah. Honda Accord, Honda Civic, Honda Fit, any Honda. Toyotas. 4Runner, Jeep 4Runner. Yeah, what if I get like a loud ass muffler on the Honda Fit? Like, just kind of pimp it out. Subaru, yep. Subaru. Yeah, imagine we had a loud ass muffler on a Honda Fit. So you just you would not expect the car, and all you hear is dur, 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 and then it's just like the Honda Fit going like this. Oh yeah. We gotta do the limbo, yeah. Not the Lambo. We need a Honda Fit. Hey, buy my course if you want to be like me. Shows the Honda Fit. Justin Wright, what's up, brother? Happy Friday. Some people add a train horn on their trucks and cars. It's so loud. Look at a train horn. I don't know. He's been speaking a lot at random times, so I would not be surprised, honestly. He could be. He definitely could be. Yeah, I notice when he talks, I shouldn't be in a trade, honestly, because he could say something, and then the market and people considered bad or good news like during the talk, and then it'll just do random spikes in either direction. So I think now it's best when he's talking, we should most of the time not be in a trade. Also, Jerome Powell. 5:30 Eastern? Okay, that's good. That's after market close. Thank you. $5:30 p.m. Thank you guys. Thank you. 5:30 p.m. Eastern. So 2:30 p.m. Oh, well, we're done trading. I mean, that's done. 2:30 p.m. guys. Trump speaks. So at the market close. So guys, you shouldn't be trading at that time anyways, honestly. Especially on a Friday. You guys should not be trading. You should be long, done, gone. If you ended the week a loss, blowing accounts, come back stronger next week. Don't be trading at that time. Yeah, no. On a Friday too? Nah. Good afternoon. Boom! 500-point candles. Yeah, it closes at 2 o'clock, yeah. I think like 2 p.m. PST. Because some prop firms let you trade till like 1 o'clock or 1:10 market close PST. Some prop firms let you trade till 2 o'clock p.m. PST, like an hour after market close. But yeah, there's that 1 hour break. But I know some people are going to be looking at the charts at 3 p.m. Probably today, honestly. I don't know. Man, yeah, you just don't trade, man. Don't trade. Just yeah. Full degen power hour after hours. Oh, yes. $275. We're right there. We're right here, right now. Trading view, trading view. Fuck. I did not look at order flow at all yesterday. At all. Hey, what's up, Robert? Good morning. Happy Friday. How you doing? There's more buyers at the bottom right here. I did not look at this. Well, now more sellers are kicking in. A lot more sellers are kicking in. Very interesting stuff. Yeah, I did not look at order flow at all yesterday, guys. I did the day before for the first time. Damn, there's a lot of fight right here. Nice, Alex, yeah. Yeah, actually, March was not a bad month for me either. I did okay, I think, the first 2 weeks. Like, I think I got like 1,500 in payouts after the fees with that this one account. Literally, just one account. Man, if that was 5 accounts, guys, 7,500 in the bank. But we can't be greedy. We can't think like that. And then we got a payout locked in with MyFundedFutures. I did horrible last week. Every day was a losing day for me. But yeah. Nice, Alex. Get that payout, man. Josh, you could save that, man. $900. You could work a lot with $900, man. Really. Son, I just started. I watched a couple videos on YouTube about it, but I literally don't know anything about it. I'm still learning it, man. Like, I looked at it for the... Big sell-off coming in. I looked at it for the first time on Tuesday night, I think. Like, watching videos on it, and then Wednesday, I actually looked at it on the charts. We were doing that on stream. Yesterday I didn't look at it at all. Order flow. Alright, we're near the bottom of the range. I would like to get out of here and make a new low and just keep ripping lower maybe. But if it does bounce off the bottom right here, which it has, this is near the bottom, guys. We gotta be cautious of the reversal. Yeah. Yeah, because, like, those small payouts add up. A lot of people hate on those. They make fun of people. They're like, oh, he's only getting $200. $200, that's nothing. Look at him. Ha, 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 ha. But that person making fun of you probably never got even a payout in their life. Honestly. Guys, $200 payout stack. My dude. Yeah, that's a nice steak dinner. That's groceries right there. Got a nice grocery trip right there. Guys, I could eat for 2 weeks with $200 in groceries. 2 weeks. You're not gonna take that payout? Because I just made 2 weeks worth of food in what, 30 minutes? 2 weeks. Yeah, about $500 a month on groceries for a month. You know, I got a $500 payout. Hey, I get to eat for a month. Guys, 15 grand payout. Oh, we're eating for over a year. Oh yeah, guys, over a year. Yeah, son. If you also have any questions, we'll try to answer them as best we can in the Discord. You can answer in the chat or the questions section. If you have any questions as well, like if you're like want to learn or something, or need help or on anything, you can ask in there. We'll do our best to. Yeah, guys, that's why we have the free Discord. We're trying to grow the community one day at a time. So when I'm not live streaming, you guys can ask questions and post your results and all that. Okay, new 5-minute right here. Rish, breakouts, breaking retests, bounce trades, and going with the trend. All with price action levels. Simple stuff. Cody, I think he's speaking at 2:30 p.m. PST. Yeah, I think. Alex, there you go, man. Yeah, $200. And guess what, Alex? Yeah, you're trading probably what? Trading a small size. Guys, you can have the accounts for a long time as long as you don't go on full-on batshit tilt. You know what I'm saying? As long as you follow your rules, trade a small size, $200 a day on these accounts, 5 accounts. I mean, that's good money, guys. Like, you guys gotta think on that perspective. Everyone thinks you need to make 5, 10 grand a day to become a successful day trader. You don't. You really don't. Guys, realize that small numbers really do add up. I'm not even joking. Small numbers add up. Really. Yeah, in other countries, the US dollar goes a lot more. A lot more. Like in the Philippines, you can get like a house cleaner servant there for like $200, $250 USD a month. Which is pretty sad, honestly, because that's not a lot of money. But to them, that's like a lot of money. That's paying decently well there in the Philippines, which is crazy. Nice, Alex. There you go. Yeah, you can definitely stack $200 days with 3 micros. Oh, yeah. What's up, Brandon? What's up, man? How you doing? Guys, this is what I'm worried about. This is the bottom of the range, and it's kind of just it might make a reversal, or it might just reject and make a new low, but it looks like it's falling right back into the range. You might have to just play the range. Bruh. It's just so sketch taking it long at the bottom. It really is. I don't like doing that. But it pays sometimes. Nice, Eddie. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's respecting the range right at the moment. Oh yes, guys. Oh yes. Yeah, I like that mindset, Alex. Yeah, guys, $200 a day on 5 accounts. You know, that's $1,000. Really? I mean, that's good money, guys. But greed gets the best of a lot of people, including myself. I do get greedy sometimes. But that's why I made that post with the MyFundedFutures, to keep myself accountable. Like, hey, Casey, you gotta pay out locked in. You just gotta be disciplined next week. So I'm keeping myself accountable, because the old me would have been like, oh no, Casey, we gotta go for our 30 grand payout. It's like, for what? Why? The money's in your hand, cash ready. Why are we being greedy? Greed always gets the best of us. But I'm working on that. And realizing, yeah, small numbers add up, guys. He's talking now? Mr. Trump. Trump. Where you at, Trump? Is he? Yeah, this is a good push. Mike, what country are you from, man? Alex, yeah, like a decent paying job. What, like 4 or 5 grand a month? And yeah, these small numbers, guys, they add up. That's why I also recommend like the 50K accounts, because most of the time you don't need a 150K account. If you trade it with them and it's your style, then yeah, go for it. But most of the time, guys, like 50K accounts, you can get them for like $100. That's generally around the price of a 50K account now, like around $100. 25Ks are even cheaper. I mean, you can probably get them. Let me see. Dude, the Lucid Flex 50K, I mean 25K account, you can get for like $50 or $60. No activation fee. That's cheap. That's really cheap. $60. Orange man. Hey, thank you, Alex. Yeah, I'm glad these streams help you guys. Yeah, guys, you know, $200, you know, we're eating good steak. That's a nice steak dinner.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take a stab long. Looking for a breakout right here. It's kind of forming a very bullish pattern. It looks like it's respecting the range, so I'm looking for a rip up back up to these areas. Cody, yeah, it's $87. Yeah, they have 25K rapid accounts on MyFundedFutures. The rapid accounts are literally the same thing, guys, as these take profit trader accounts, but better with MyFundedFutures, because you get a 90-10 profit split and you can pass in 2 days. So everyone's complaining about the 5 days, yeah, which is pretty annoying, because you gotta trade 5 days, but you can pass in 2 days, and you get an extra 10% in your pocket on the payouts. That's a lot of money. 10% is a lot. I mean, $1,000 payout, and you get an extra $100. That's a free challenge right there. Well, now that's an extra steak dinner right there. You know, yeah, we gotta change our perspective. An extra $100, that's a nice steak dinner right there. Yeah. These steak dinners add up. Go! Well, we could tap up to here, this 25 23.515 area, and if we break that, that's another nice gap up to this 25.40 area. So we can play it by level if it still continues. It is doing a little stalling, right here, which I don't like. I'd rather just see it, like, you know, breakout work right away. But we are in profit, which is good. But like at our peak, we're only up what, 10 points. Mike, nice. $500 a month is the average paycheck. Mike, dude, get like a 25K account, man. Dude, you can get like, yeah, $500 payouts. And then, Mike, if you don't think that's enough, you know, you can get 2 or 3, 4, 5 accounts. You could scale from that off your payout money. Nice rip. Nice. $18 points.
Order filled.
We're going to trim one because we've been on a bad losing streak. Rather be a little safe. Go! Nice. Let's see this break. We can see a tap right here, 25 to 515 area.
Order filled.
Trim another. It could reject right here, so being a little more safe. We're gonna put our stop loss at break even now. We got 3 micros left. Trim 2. New 5-minute right here.
Order
whatever.
filled.
Small trade. Nothing crazy. Small trade. Small breakout. The reason I'm getting a full exit is because, guys, we've been in bad drawdown, and I mean, we went into this morning with what, only $280 left or something. That's not a lot of money, guys. So an extra $150, I mean, it's not a lot, but you know, that's a lot with a $280 account. That's like over a 50% increase of the balance of the account. And this is, we've been noticing, guys, this is a scalping market. Hey, what up, Curtis? Mike, you gotta size down, man. Can't be greedy. Like you said, $500 a month is a lot of money there, so take what you get. Jacob, yeah, that's the only thing. But, you know, you could also just, like, stack your $200 winning days, and then once you have $500 to withdraw, you can just wait till the withdrawal. So you could also have, like, a little cushion at the same time. What's up, Shark? Doing good, man. Looks like we're playing the range. Curtis? Nice. Yeah, you work on Fridays, yeah. Thanks for tuning in, brother. Hey, rip 2 minis. 2 minis, guys. 2 minis. Dave, that's good that you got 3 payouts, man. That's good. You got a lot of your money back. So that's good, Dave. Good job. Shark, yeah. Well, good thing we got out that trade, guys. Good thing we got out that trade. This is a scalper's market. Yeah, we went on a bad losing streak. Dude, but we saved this account from $2, guys. $2. Yeah, Dave, nice that you're getting payouts. You can get an LLC, man. That's nice. That's a big step, Dave. Good job. Well, good thing we got out that last trade, guys. We would have got stopped out. Thank you, Curtis. That means a lot, man. Yeah, also, a lot of them, some of the streamers, a lot of them are disciplined and they trade a good system, which is nice. But some of them just, like, straight up gamble. I'm like, dude, this is literally gambling. They're, like, ripping so many contracts. I don't know, most of them are good disciplined traders. But some of them are they're just straight gambling. But a lot of people like that content, but I don't know. Yeah, I try to be myself. That's what I like. Jacob, if you're a first-time buyer, yeah, the 25K account, I think you get one use for $49. No activation fee with the co-casinator. But then after one-time use, I think it's normal price. Like, I think, what, 80s? 77, 87 or something? Well, Mike, yeah, because when we're sitting at the desk all day, we're literally we're bored, you know what I'm saying? And then what it was hard for me to realize is working more in trading does not mean making more. It's just the quality of your trade. So most of the time, trading less makes more money. And it was hard for me to do that because, like, with the shoe business, I was constantly hustling and grinding and just constantly working, like, full on shipping, buying shoes, making deals, doing this, doing that, driving there, doing this. Like, I was like a hustling mindset. And I came into that mindset with trading. Like, I got to hustle. I got to trade. But then I realized trading less is not the way. I mean, trading more is not good. You got to trade less. So, Mike, that's why it's important to do, like, hobbies and other stuff like that. That's why I'm getting back more into fishing, for example. Whatever hobbies you guys are into, like, I don't know, tennis, golf, drawing, reading, stuff like that. Any type of hobby, anything. Any type of physical activity, walking, hiking, sports, working out, gym. It's good to keep your mind off things and stimulate it in other aspects because you should not be staring at the chart all day. RB trades, I don't know. I went on losing streaks a lot, but it just depends how you handle it and size down. Thank you, Dave. Means a lot, man. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, it depends on you guys and your trading style. Like, I trade completely different than other people, like, and then other people could trade completely different like me, you know? Whatever works for you works. Josh, 10 micros. 10 micros, so, yeah, 1 mini. These are challenges, so low-key I could maybe be doing, like, 15 micros, 20, if I'm really pushing it. Man, 100%. And it's a lot less stressful, guys, when you stop over trading, really. Because, dude, I'll be honest. Sometimes I was taking like 10, 20, 30 plus trades a day, full on tilt, over trading, over leveraging, doing this, doing that, blowing accounts. It's such a headache. You're literally pulling your hair out at the end of the day. You're mentally fatigued. You're stressed out. When you go into the day taking like 1 to 3 trades a day, it's a lot less stressful. You're less prone to go on tilt. You look for your good setups, you take it. Whatever the market gives you, you take. That's why I don't like it when... What I used to do is like, oh, if I make $500 a day, blah, 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 on 5 days, you know, that's $2,500 a week. a month, that's 10 grand a month. But then it's like, you know what I'm saying? Then you're just trading off the money. You're not trading your actual system. You're just focusing on the result, which I made the video last night. I posted last night. You're just focusing on the P&L, which leads to really bad habits, and it's not good in the long run. Yeah, maybe when you're on the challenge, or all right, I got $500 left. You know, let me try and pass it today or something. You know what I'm saying? But you know, like in general on the funded accounts, you know, just take what the market gives you. Beer. And guys, your trading should look like, it shouldn't be like this. It should not be like, it should be like, you know, like slow and steady, you know, like a slow grind up. You gotta manage your red days, guys. Jacob, yeah, I think they only have 50Ks for that. I think they only have, I think Tradeify, the only 25K accounts I think are the lightning funded, the instant funded, but yeah, Mike, see the flower business, you're constantly hustling, man. You gotta grind those flowers, man. Be like, hey baby, I got you this. Happy Valentine's Day, baby. Attaboy, Mike. I see you risking up the ladies. Okay, Mike. Okay, alright. Hey, hold on, Mike. Hold on. Whoa. Hey, whoa. Alright, Mike. I see you. Light? Yeah. It's a lot less stressful, man, honestly, trading less, really. FX Replay, yeah, I used to backtest on there, but recently I haven't been, I'll be honest, I haven't backtested in a little while. But, like, I, like review my trades I take. I was doing a lot of back testing last year. Last year I was really grinding at the end, like trying to like lock in, like, Casey, we gotta make this shit work. Curtis, as long as you follow your rules, you follow your good risk management, everything, don't be scared, man. Do not be afraid. God is with you, man. Just follow your system. Win or loss, as long as you follow your system, it's a win. You got it, Curtis. Christian! Lock in, man. $400 on a Friday. Call it. Call it, man. On a Friday, with this price action this week, call it, man. Really. Good job, Christian. Because, Christian, if you keep on... Think about it right now. If you keep on trading and you end up losing that $400 and more, would you be pissed off? I'd probably be annoyed at myself. I'd be like, dude, we had $400 locked in. So if the answer is yes, which most likely it would be, call it a day. Call it a day. Okay, Mike. Yeah, I see you, man. Alright. Okay, Mike. Okay. Got the flowers for the ladies. Yeah. Okay, I want to see right here. We're at the low of day again. We've seen a bounce right here, and it just pops right back into the range. But I don't know. I feel like it's going to rip down and just break a new low. But I don't know. With this market, anything could happen, really. It's either going to bounce off this bottom area again, like it did right here, here, and right here, and kind of right here. Or it can make a new low. I have no idea. We got to see. I would like to get a new low and just keep ripping lower, honestly. Javier, there, that's the annoying part. But hey, at least you got your payout, man, Javier. So a payout is a payout. That's a win. Not a lot of people can get there. Guys, we're kind of... Look, we just kind of bounced right there again. It's just so sketch taking a long right there. Well, if I take a long right here, if we have like... Because these are challenges, so I don't really... I mean, we can kind of play some risk. You know, 15-point stop. Low key? Low key? It's so sketch buying at the bottom, though, because we're going against a trend. But if we have a tight stop... Yeah, lock in, Christian. Have a nice weekend, man. Call it. Christian, hit that X on the upper right-hand corner and lock it in, man. Relax. You're up. It's good. Alex, yeah. Damn, Martin, really? God bless, man. That's cool that you were watching my videos and now you're doing good again. That's good. I didn't realize how many my videos help you guys out, which is pretty cool. So, blessed to do that for you guys. No problem, Curtis. Yeah, Alex, yeah. Have a good weekend, Christian. Have a good one, brother. I'll see you next week. Guys, what is it? Dude, I was at the gym yesterday working out. And then these two guys next to me on the back machine, I heard them talking about, because they're right next, we can hear. I'm not eavesdropping or anything, but you can hear them, right? I heard him talking about, what size account do you have? 25K account. He's like, I'm trading the 25K account. And I'm like, where else is there a 25K account, 50K account? And I said to them, oh, you guys trade? He goes, oh, yeah, I just started out, blah, blah, blah. I was like, oh, what are you trading? He goes, oh, futures. I'm like, oh, really? I was like, oh, what prop firm you with? He goes, oh, I'm with Lucid right now. I'm like, oh, shit. I was like, I trade too. He goes, oh, really? Blah, blah. And then we started talking about trading and stuff. He just started out. And he has a Lucid 25K flex account. Dude, trading's becoming more and more popular, bro. Like, I'm literally seeing, like, freaking Rampage Jackson's promoting a prop firm now. Like, I'm not even joking. Oh, my gosh. Brandon Carter is promoting Apex. The Island Boys was freaking promoting Lucid. And then now these like younger guys at the gym, they were trading 25K accounts with Lucid. I was like, what the heck? And then we were talking about trading and stuff, and then I was like, oh, I do YouTube and stuff, and then he followed me on YouTube. I was like, sick. Yeah, if you guys ever see me in public, because a lot of you are in my area, yeah, say what's up. We got recognized in public once, which was pretty sick. Oh yeah. Hey, Shibu Trader, hey. You like that video, guys? A lot of you guys like that video, so that's cool. I'll do more raw talks for you guys. I like doing those raw talks. Yeah, I like doing those raw talks. They're nice. Yeah. Well, a lot of them, I'm saying TJR, for example, a lot of the younger kids watch TJR, unfortunately. And it's like that gambling mindset, or, oh, TJR, look at him. He's got all these nice cars. He's doing this. He's making it in trading, blah, 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 blah. Oh, let me watch his boot camp. His boot camp. Come on. Piss off. Oh, gosh. I really want to take a long right here, but then I don't. I don't know. I really think it... I mean, even if we do, it's a cheap trade. 15 points. Oh, yeah, Adesanya is with Tradeify. Yeah, he's fighting this Saturday. I low-key think Joe Pfizer might win, man. I honestly think... Who do you guys got? You guys... Because some of you guys watch UFC. Who you got? Adesanya? Israel Adesanya? Or Joe Pfizer? Joe Pfizer? Whatever his last name is. Low-key think Joe Pfizer might pull the dub. I like Izzy, man. Okay. Fuck. Damn. Bro. This is what happens when you hesitate, guys. Look at these long. Look at that long. Guys, cheap trade. I told you, 15 points. Damn, that was on me. That was on me. What's up, Tuchar? What's up, brother? Oh, yeah, Ferrari trading trend lines. Yeah, you gotta do the trend lines, guys. Tuchar, I mean, yeah, he's literally gambling. He's literally a content creator. That's what he is. He's not really a trader, guys. If I'm being honest. Yeah, I like the longs. Instantly 100 points to the upside. Guys, if we were entered that long, we would have been done. We'd been done on the day. Yeah, can we talk? And also, he is getting older, and then he did lose his last 4 out of his last 5 fights. But then again, he fought really good people. But yeah, he's getting a little older. He's 36 years old now. He doesn't have that like dog in him like he used to. Still a great fighter nonetheless. But Joe Pfizer, he doesn't give a damn. He's younger. He's hungry. And now in his recent interviews, he found he went on like a spiritual journey with Jesus Christ, and I'm like, okay, he's got God on his side. He's a young, hungry guy. I'm like, God bless, brother. I think Joe Pfizer's gonna pull the dub. If I'm being, I don't know. And I wonder how much Tradeify is honestly paying Israel Adesanya. How much do you think Izzy's getting paid by Tradeify to promote them? I don't know. Dude, they're all on the stream, guys. They're all in the stream. My gosh. Instantly. What is that? That was the fastest. That was an 80-point trade right there. I would have sold at like 40, 50, but still. No time, you think? You think? I like Izzy. Don't get me wrong. I like him. He's a good fighter. But if I'm putting money on it, I don't know. I think Joe might pull the dub. I don't know. Yeah, see, we got mixed emotion. This is good. This is like controversy. Yeah, we got Israel. We got Joe winning. I don't know. Like I said, I think I low-key got Joe, man. No, too short. He's 100%. He's a really great content creating and like getting people to engage, and that's what he's really good at. And people clip videos for him and from his streams, so he doesn't have to work, you know. So, no, he's doing it smart. He's a great content creator, not a trader. Yeah. Yeah. I really wonder how much they're actually paying him. It's probably 6 figures, yeah. Definitely 6 figures. Not more than $1 million. No, that would be way too much. It's definitely. You think how much do you think they're paying Adesanya to promote? It's just so random, but it's cool. I don't know. Here with UFC former double world champion Conor McGregor with Lucid. Yeah, thank you guys. Oh yeah, trade with Lucid, everyone. Yeah, buy my whiskey. Oh, dude, imagine they had a Conor McGregor sponsoring a prop firm, and then when they're talking shit on another prop firm, Conor McGregor goes, "Who the fuck is that prop firm, huh? Who the fuck?" Oh, man. Nagano? Isn't Nagano... Well, he went into boxing for a bit. He did boxing, but... Dude, Anthony Joshua rocked his world, man. I mean, it's just completely different leagues. Also, yeah, Javier, Alex, but also, most importantly, Sean Strickland. Sean Strickland ruined Adesanya's, like, confidence at all. Sean Strickland, like, beat him mentally before the fight and everything, and then he just destroyed him. 100 grand a month, my gosh. Piper. Connor would be a, yeah, $1 million plus minimum. Well, because when you think about it, it's like these fighters and like other athletes, it's like they're making so much more money outside of what they're actually doing. Like the fighting, for example, like Conor McGregor, he made millions off fighting, yeah, but he made way more money on brand dues, sponsors, promoting all their deals, his whiskey company, all that stuff. He made way more money on it, and it's like, why risk fighting and get brain damage at an older age, you know what I'm saying, when you're making millions of dollars more in other adventures, you know what I'm saying? So I really think Conor McGregor, the whole hype about him coming back is not happening. I mean, like, it's just to keep getting his name out there and stuff, but I really don't think he's coming out to fight, honestly. I would love to see him fight, but in reality, I don't think it's going to happen. ICT. Eddie, yeah, he found God. Yeah, yeah, Joe, he found God in the recent interviews. I was like, dude, a man of Christ, coming back stronger and better than before, and he's young and hungry. I'm like, low-key gotta go with Joe, man. Izzy's getting a lot of money from brand deals. I mean, we literally have him sponsored by Tradeify. Dude, imagine his UFC trunks had like Tradeify on it. Dude, imagine if he won on Saturday, Izzy, and then he goes, alright guys, thank you for the win. Shout out to Tradeify. We're giving out 10 free select 50k accounts. Mike, yeah, I'm 26, Mike. I'm 26 as well. Okay, guys, we're back at the bottom here. Remember what happened when we hesitated on that long? It ran up 80 points. 80 points, guys, instantly. It's a cheap trade. I keep hesitating in this damn area. Yeah, it's not happening. The Conor McGregor not happening. I would like for it to happen, but it's just to get his name out there more. More publicity that he doesn't need. No, but the young... Damn it. The young, hungry Conor was something else, man. That guy was on another world. Now, I remember watching him fight and all that with the Jose Aldo and everything on his come up. Damn it. Why do I keep hesitating? And then I watched the Floyd Mayweather fight, boxing live. I remember watching it with my friends. We're like, oh shit, oh shit. Dude, there's nothing like getting a UFC fight night together with like the fam or friends and getting like a nice pizza and just hanging out and watching the fights. It's pretty sick. Gotta lock in, case. Gotta lock in. Yeah. Is Manny Pacquiao coming back? Is it Manny Pacquiao coming back? I freaking love Manny Pacquiao, but I mean, dude, brother, just stay retired, man. Like, it's not worth it. A lot of these older fighters are coming back. I'm like, are they really running out of money or something? Like, what are they spending on? They made millions, multi-millions off boxing and fighting. I'm like,
order filled.
every time I hesitate, it does not end well. We're entering a little early because, I don't know, I would like an entry right here, but it just, I don't know, it's just not popping there. I don't know. They're gonna hunt our stops, guys. Now we're gonna hunt our stops. Now they're gonna hunt it, man. I mean, they're challenges, so I'm not really tripping. Oh, no, yeah. Dude, imagine, I don't think he trades, no. Dude, imagine Israel Adesanya, like, day trading, he got, like, 500 accounts to Tradeify. That would low-key be sick. But I'm like, brother, you got a fight to worry about. You gotta lock in. Hey, what's up, Stefan? How you doing, man? Yeah, that's crazy he's coming back. I'm like, I love him, but I'm like, dude, like how bad down are they? Like Mike Tyson, for example, he probably made millions off that Jake Paul fight, but it's like, dude, should not be fighting. It's all money fights. It's all hype, money fights. PDG, this is our second trade. Our first trade we won. Second trade. Okay, we need to bounce right here. Like, right now. This is the bounce area.
Stop filled.
Guys, did you see that? The market makers are after us. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, when we try to take a long down here, we hesitate and it runs up 80 points. Now when we take a long right here, we get stopped out, guys. Now the bounce is occurring. They're hunting our stops, guys. Nick Lenz, I haven't heard of him. I don't know, Dan. They've been acting a little weird, man. I don't know what's going on with them. Probably message support, Dan. I know their support is ass, but... Oh, shit, there. Maybe... Oh, they don't even have a damn Discord. Fuck. I don't know, Dan. Just try to keep messaging them and stuff and keep going on and email them as well. Hey, what's up, Tommy? Yeah. Hey, what's up, Georgina? How you doing? I haven't seen you in a while. Guys. Right idea, just wrong timing. Wrong timing, guys. Like, it was kind of a cheap trade. Yeah, we still have $1,600, guys. That's nothing. Yeah, I gotta get some progress on these. Loki might just have to rip 20 micros. 20 micros. Nice, Georgina. Glad to hear that. Oh, yeah, Shino. Oh, yeah. They're in it for the love of the sport, guys. They're in it for the love. Discord? Well, now we're making new lows. I like that. Nice, Tommy. Alex, we have $1,600 left, $1,575. Well, I guess we're moving short. Yeah. Yeah, these are evals. Yeah, we took a winning trade on the funded. Like small trade, like what, 15 points, 16, $150, one and done. Now we're working on evals. We gotta get these done. Too much time is being on the challenges. Just ain't right. Yeah, we could have a gap down. I don't know, but yeah, I think it's too risky. Yeah. And it's gone, guys. It's gone. It's gone, guys. Hey, you. Oh, Alex, 100%. No, we're just started with these challenges. We're at break even. We're only at $190 profit. No, just ain't right. It's still alive, man. It's still alive. Too many days, Osho. The $2 account is still alive, guys. It's still alive. Right here. Guys, we went from $2 to $2,000 in the buffer to $2,000 in payouts. Back down to the downside. Down to what, $200 left? Or something? Now we're at $400. Tommy, yeah, but I really haven't been seeing the best setups, man, honestly, and I don't want to just be blowing evals, so yeah, I am taking a little long on these. But we get rebuild, I think, on the 5th. The 5th. No, we have to pass them by next week, Friday. So if we don't get good progress on them, I gotta start ripping them, like 2 minis, 3 minis. Because it's taking too long. Yeah, I get... On a Sunday, yeah. So I gotta get it done by next Friday. John King, man. $1 is $1, man. $1 is literally $1, man. John King, you're $1 richer on each account, man. That's a win. Let's go, John. I hate challenges. They can suck my ass. I don't like challenges. Yeah. We're gonna trade 15 micros on our next trade. I gotta get some movement done. Akash, you got a free sandwich, man. That's a win. That's a win. Yeah, because the challenges you're working on them and there's no momentum. The vid.
Alright guys, it's day 14 of day trading. Let's get it.
What?
Let's get it. So I learned a new strategy. It's called Bollinger Bands with RSI. So let me explain, right? So I think we actually might have a setup. When it goes below, let's see. So the line, that very bottom line is at like the 24. I don't know what the 24 number means. I don't know what it means. It just means market is going to shift up, I think. Also, it has
What are these lines?
One of the wicks has to close below
Is that a Mickey
the
Mouse?
lower Bollinger Band, I think. I'm pretty sure. So let's put in a long position and let's see what happens. So we put our take profit at that high and the stop loss at that low. So
Right.
it should be a pretty good setup. It's kind of just consolidating right now. I don't really know what's happening, but
The
it is
Bollinger
going
Band
up.
strats?
Oh, we are about to hit take profit. We're so close. This is an immaculate trade setup. This is immaculate. This is fucking immaculate. Stop edging me. Yes, we hit take profit. That strategy was OP. I'm gonna.
Bollinger Band, guys. That's a new strat. Bollinger Bands. Let's go. Dude, that kid is cooking. Bro's cooking with the Bollinger Bands. Okay, alright. He's cooking, guys. That's our mentor, guys. That's our new mentor. That's our new mentor, guys. Alright, there's too many lines here, Case. Too many lines. Too many lines equals too many headaches. Dude, he's cooking, guys. He ate. He cooked. Peace out, Tommy. Have a good weekend, brother. Guys, we gotta get the Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands? Balling Bands? I'm balling bands. Balling bands. Alright. Now we're looking for shorts. We're looking for shorts. Who needs these horizontal lines, guys, in all my strategies when you can just use the Bollinger Bands? Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Band? Bollinger Bands? Hey, Will, it's all good, man. I mean, you still got, what, payouts like 2 weeks in a row or something? You're still up, Will, so don't let it one day affect you, man. Still doing great, man. It's been a great month for you, Will. So don't let one day ruin it. He don't hesitate, man. He's locked in. He's focused. He's locked in. Breakout to the downside. Oh no, he's cooking. He's chefing up, guys. Hey, he didn't eat ramen that day. You know what he ate? He ate a nice steak dinner with that Bollinger Band. He's cooking. He got nice steak and lobster dinner that night, man. He's cooking. Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands. Balling bands. We're balling. Chance? Yeah, we had a lot of momentum to the downside right here. Yep. 100 points from that sale right there. From the low day. Yeah, we're down like 60 points, yeah. We're still making new lows. We do have a new 30-minute in 30 seconds, so I want to see where it goes. But I still want... we'll look for a short entry. Oh, yes. T minus 12 seconds. Alright, new 5-minute. Damn, a lot of sellers right here, yeah. On this candle. Guys, gotta use the Bollinger Bands. I haven't heard that strat in a while. Bollinger Bands. I'm gonna call them balling bands. Balling bands. The balling band strat. You're balling so much, you got bands of stacks of money with you. Balling bands. Daily day trade? 2 trades. 1 win on the funded and 1 loss on the challenges. Looking to take that 3rd meaty trade. That 3rd juicy trade. Thanks, daily day trade. Did you guys see the stop sign when the guy got pulled over? The drunk guy. I didn't know it was like an original clip, but you know like how people were making those videos, how they're like, oh, stop sign, what stop sign? I didn't know there was like an actual real video about it, where the dude was drunk. And he goes, stop sign? What stop sign? The guy's like, no. The cop was like, no, I didn't say stop sign, you said stop sign. Stop sign. And people started, stop sign? What stop sign, man? Wait.
Yeah, I'm about to.
Huh? Tell me why you stopping me?
Yeah, I'm about to.
Huh?
I'm about to.
What?
I'm about to tell you.
Stop sign?
No, I said
What stop sign, man?
I said I'm about to tell you.
Huh? You say stop sign?
No one said stop sign but you.
Why you stopping me?
You made an improper right hand turn. When you turn onto a new road, you got to turn that closest lane, sir.
Let me get my ID out for you, bro.
What stop sign?
Can you hand me the beer as well?
Huh?
Can you hand me the beer?
Dude's drunk, bro.
The beer? Can you hand me the beer?
The alcohol.
I'm about to tell you.
Stop sign?
No, I said I'm.
What stop sign, man?
I said I'm a.
He acted so like defensive or something about it. I don't know why he was so like pissed off or something. Stop sign? What do you mean no stop sign? I didn't see no stop sign. Cop's like, no, there is no stop sign. Oh, that was hilarious. Now people, when they get pulled over now, they literally say, they do the stop sign joke on the cops, and the cops like, what are you talking about? Nice, you know, fan. Yeah, I never tried the Bollinger. What the hell? Bollinger Band? Bollinger Bands? Banger Bands? Balling Bands! Balling Bands. I keep forgetting it's Balling Bands. Have a great weekend, trader. You gonna go camping? Yeah, have a great one, man. Have fun. Relax. Catch some bluegill. Have a good one, brother. I'll see you next week. Javier, yeah. Just gotta lock it in, man. When you're up 200 bucks on this market, I'm like, call it. We gotta do 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Bro's cooking. He's cooking. Cooking that steak.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take a stab short. 15 micros per account. I need to get some progress done on these damn challenges. Bruh. Bruh. Not liking that. Not liking that close. We didn't use the Bollinger Band, guys. We didn't use the Bollinger Bands. Without the Bollinger Bands, you can't win. You're gonna lose in the long run, guys. Gotta use the Bollinger Bands. That's my new course. I'm gonna make a new course about that. The Bollinger Bands. They hating on me, but I'm balling on my bands. Bollinger Bands, Bollinger Bands, Bollinger Bonds. Yeah. Straight ripski down, NQ. Just go down. Make a new low. Come on, sellers, start kicking in, sellers, start kicking in. Come on, yeah, sellers, start kicking in, man, kick in. Order flow. Yeah, yeah. Dude, I'm like watching like the charts, like those bass fishermen with the freaking live fish sonar. They can see the fish on the graph on the little chart. I've been on a boat with that like 2 weeks ago. It was actually pretty sick. You could literally see the fish and the grass and everything. Completely different mindset. I feel like that's like that with this. Not a whole lot of momentum on this trade. We are getting more downside. I still like this for shorts. We gotta go though. Nice, Curtis. Yeah, some traders used Bollinger Bands. I can't say that damn thing. Ballin' Band. I'm called Ballin' Bands. Alright, nice. More sellers are kicking in. Nice, nice. This is the low of day, 78. We could see that tap or break it and go lower. I would like that. That's my ideal trade. Only 10 points on this trade. Not a lot of momentum. But we had a big sellout right here. I mean, I think we should be getting more volume or something. Nice. Alright, let's see it hit the low. Let him cook, guys. Let him cook.
Order filled.
I'm gonna trim 5 micros. What is that, 5 or 3? 3 micros there. 3 micros because these are multiples of 5. Because it might bounce and reject right here, so gotta lock in some. We still got 12 micros left per account. Okay, now we're break even on day. For now, this trade is not over. Come on, balling bands. Balling bands for the win. Balling bands for the win. Baller bands for the win.
Order filled.
Trim up the low, because it could bounce right here. We did make a new low, which is nice. We did wick that. Make a new low, NQ. New low. New low. We're only at 20 points.
Order filled.
Now we have 6 micros left per account. We can maybe try and let them run. Go, go, go. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We have our stop loss at break even now, so this is a risk-free trade. We trimmed 9 micros, and we still have 6 left. Because we noticed we also been getting out early, but I want to be safe because it could do a bounce right here. But we are making a new low. That's good. Very nice. 30 points. I mean, if it keeps doing what it's doing, we could make a new low, and that's a big rip to the downside. Thanks, balling bands. You're the best. We found the new strat, guys. You know what I noticed? We found new strats a lot on Fridays. You notice that, guys? Now we have the balling bands. Alright, at the low. Let's see if it wants to make a new low. This line was the previous low of the day, right there, that black line right here. Excuse me, damn. No, NQ, no. Just go, go. Alright, nice. Made a new low. Making new lows. Nice, nice. There you go. Nice. We have a new 5 minute and 45 seconds. We're up 35 points. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. We are making new lows. I like that. Come on, balling bands. Give me some balling bands. New 5 minute. Should have maybe trimmed right there. At the low. Well, I gotta pass it by next week Friday, so if I'm not done by Thursday or Friday, I'm gonna start ripping them. I gotta get them done by Friday. We spent too long on these. Too long. Way too long. But that's better than blowing a bunch of challenges and just ripping them and resetting them, because these are $100 each, you know. Those are $500 swings of real money. So that's good that we're not blowing them. So we're just chilling, but we got to get them passed by next week. Balling bands, balling bands. Come on, balling bands.
Order filled.
Trim another 2. Whatever.
Order filled.
I'll just get out there. What is that, like 30, 35 points? Nothing crazy. We got back our loss and $265, so not bad. And guys, we could always re-enter. Yeah, we could always re-enter. Damn, we can make $1,300 more. So, dude, if we actually get to, like, halfway, like, past $1,500 buffer, that would be nice going into next week, because we could just pass it in one day next week. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, guys. I mean, Turtle Powers is not that serious, man. I mean, we're up 35 points. We were up 35 points. It's like, whatever we end at, we end at. But at the moment, we're up 35 points. Which we are, but... Well, M5, yeah, working at an Amazon warehouse, I would assume is not good. Like, yeah, they don't really treat you that well, yeah. So, I mean, at the local gym, you get to meet people and talk to them. Right now, you're on that fitness journey, M5, so that's great. You get to talk to a lot of people. You can work out with them, too. So, yeah, M5. But don't quit your job and then look for a job, you know what I'm saying? Like, get that job first. Can we talk on futures? It's not that big. Maybe like 100... No, like maybe 200 points? Around that? 150, 200 points? I don't hold that trades like that long. Like, most of my trades are like 20 to 50 points most of the time. But, you know, every now and again I'll get a nice winner over 100 pointers. Those are nice. Those are fun. Because I realize most of the time it's nice to get a lockout, but I'll try. I've been trying to hold my winners longer. Yeah, we're gonna size up. Gotta size up. I mean, we could make an extra $1,300, $1,200. So I don't know. Thanks, Bonder Bands. You're the best. Oh, yeah, if you do work at the gym, M5, you also get a free membership, too, as well. That's also a perk. But I think working at the gym is pretty boring, because most of the time you're just sitting at the front desk, yeah. Because, like, when I go to my gym, they're literally just sitting at the desk all day. They go get up every now and again to, like, pick up the weights or whatever, like, people left behind. But majority of the time, the staff just sits at their desk, which can be pretty boring. So it depends on you, M5, but there is perks to it. You get to talk to people about fitness. You're in that fitness environment. You get a free gym membership. Hey, you might also get a free protein shaker, too. Gotta love that. Can we talk? It's a 3-step process. I made videos about it on my page. I request it, and then it depends on the time, but they usually approve it and send it to my wallet by the morning, and then you gotta send it from your wallet to your bank account. So it's a 3-step process, but it usually moves pretty quick. I wish there were instant withdrawals. The Lucid ones are, like, I think pretty instant. LA Fitness all day. Even though I've never been there, I'm going to LA Fitness all day. Nah, I'm not going to Planet Fitness. I worked out there for it. It's not bad if you're, like, you know, just starting out, but nah, Planet Fitness, nah. But they're great if you're, like, just starting out, and then their gym memberships are cheap. John Sanchez. You know, John, your name fits perfectly with that description of that person. Oh, yeah, John Sanchez? Yeah, he's over there wearing sunglasses staring at the women. Yeah, that's John over there. Your name fits perfect for that. Yeah, man, payouts help out, guys. Small payouts. You can bring your dog to the gym. I don't know. Some gyms allow it. It really depends on the gym. Oh my gosh. Bring your cat to the gym. What's up, Louie? Oh my gosh, are you okay? Big baby. Hey, what's up, 444? How you doing, brother? You request that payout, yeah? Yeah, Steve, I think this is the lowest we've been all year, yeah. We're in the low 23,000 now, yeah. Light, you just need to keep same things that you did. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. If anything, if you want to be consistent and get another payout with the same account, definitely size down, Light, for the longevity of the account, micros. Nice, 444. Glad to hear that, brother. It's a great way to end the week, man. Your first ever payout. And it's approved. 444, do you have the new Apex accounts or the old ones? Oh yeah, I mean, yeah. Yeah, I think this is the lowest we've been all year. Since the beginning of the year. Yeah, we're right here. I'm pretty sure. If I'm not mistaken. Nice, 444. Did they approve it, like, with, like, how fast did they approve it? 444. Because I heard it's quick that they approved the payouts on Apex. Bring your cat to the gym day. Nice, 444. I love that. Yeah, because they said no more payout denials, and they said, what, like, quick approvals or something? So that's pretty good, 444. Nice. 5-minute payout request approved. Yeah. Boom, boom. I still like shorts at the moment. But we'll see. We just keep making new lows. Light, no, there's definitely trading rules, Light. There's definitely trading rules with them. Yeah, they have it now where the system where you can see on the dashboard if you broke a rule, and if you've broken a rule, you can't request a payout. So if you have all the rules done, allegedly, like, you can check, and then once you're sent to approval, a payout request, they'll approve it. So that's pretty nice. So good job, 444. That's good with the prop firms like Lucid. I think is that like that. MyFundedFutures. As long as you follow the rules and everything, it's like approved. Hey, come here. She's chewing on the thing. Come on. Yeah, like there's rules still with Apex, but they're more lenient than they were before. Definitely, like their old rules were there's like 100 damn rules you gotta worry about, but now it's like more lenient. Just gotta check on their website and everything. Guys, there's 86 people and we only have 24 likes? Come on, guys. Lock in. It's free to like, guys. It's Good Friday. Come on. Lock in. Yeah, I don't mind the daily loss limit because, like, it's like 50% of your balance. So, it's like if you're risking 50% of your account, you know, on one day on a funded account, I mean, it's kind of a lot. Can we talk? Casinator, I got the name in middle school. My friends call me like Casinator. They made a song like, my name is Casinator, and I don't like haters. And then Casinator, I kept that rolling in high school and everything. And then my shoe business was also named Casinator. And then I'm like, you know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. CasinatorTrades. Turtle Power shows YouTube, the algorithm, and everyone that you like it, and shows me that you guys like it. I mean, it's free. It's free to like. It's free to like. It's free to subscribe. I'm doing free live streams for you guys. All I ask is you guys like, subscribe, and use my affiliate code with the propfirms. And yeah. Yeah, we do have a new 4-hour, guys, in 2 minutes. Yeah, Vivian. I'd rather have that than the daily loss limit. I mean, the trailing drawdown, and also the MAE rule. The MAE rule was the main rule people were getting clapped on. Like, they kept getting, like, hit with the MAE rule, and then they had to trade another 10, or wait 10 business days or something. The MAE rule was the most one people were struggling with. And the trailing drawdown, and they got rid of it both, so that was good. Yeah, I agree, 444. Yeah, I don't mind unfunded, but the eval, I'm like, I kind of just want to rip it and just get it done if I'm going to trade with them, because you want to pass them soon. Yeah, on a one-day pass eval, I try to get it done quick. We'll see where this new hour closes. Yeah, the MAE rule got a lot of people. So that's also you got an approved 444. Can we talk? Yeah, market open. Sketches, yeah, that's what I heard. Triple four, yeah. Stefan, I don't know. I think we're still bearish, honestly. I like shorts more. But I don't know. We'll see on this 4 hour and 9 seconds. Hour, 5 minute, 15 minute. Alright. New hour. Power hour. No, not power hour. 4 hour. Yeah, I never in a million years would think Apex would go to end of day accounts, honestly. Really. I would never think that. But here we are now in 2026.
Order filled.
I'm going to take a stab short. Stefan, you don't have to worry about it if you have the new accounts, but if you have the old accounts, then you gotta worry about it. Their new accounts don't have it. July 2025. Yeah, this is the lowest we've seen NQ in a very long time. 9 months, yeah. Yeah, it sucks, Sketches. They banned a lot of people before their update. So dumb. Eval ban. Kind of stalling at our entry. Would like to see a new low, make a new low, continue down. Continue down. I don't like challenges, I want to get them done. It's time we're not getting paid, and I want to get them through funded. Yeah. Evals get me annoyed. I want to get them done, get my funded account, trade micros, and I'm done, yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Could you do a VPN? Some platforms don't allow it, right? I don't know. I don't know how VPNs work. I never tried it. Some platforms, they'll ban you though if you use a VPN. I don't know. There's more sellers right here. More sellers right here. We do have a new 5-minute in a minute. Oh yeah. Oh yes, let him cook. Let him cook. I would like to get over $1,500. I mean, ideally, I would like to make $1,500 today, but like I said, we can't focus on the result. Just gotta focus on the trades. Back to break even. We're doing a lot of stalling on this trade. We've been seeing so many stalls on my trades. I don't like stalling.
Good morning, Seattle.
Don't like the stalling. Good morning, Seattle. We are live for the UFC co-main event. Yeah, at our peak, we're only up, what, 5 points? Not a lot. Go, NQ, go, go, go. Nice. $10 points. Thanks, Chaz. Drop, make a new low, make a new low. New low.
Order filled.
Trim 3 micros right there. Yeah, 3. It's just hesitating so much. Alright, make a new low, new low, new low. Bruh. Too much stalling, man. Too much stalling. Alright, we're at the low. Cool. Made a new low. Nice. Very nice. Yes, NQ. Yes. Very good. Yes. 20 points. Go, go, go.
Order filled.
Trim another 3. We have 9 micros left. We trimmed We trimmed 6 micros. Yeah, 6 micros. We have 9 micros left per account. Could do some damage with 9 micros, guys. Bruh, what is this pullback? Good thing we trimmed. $20 points. We're just seeing so much stalling, but we are making new lows. We are making new lows. We're just gonna move our stop loss to break even, especially on a Friday. And we trimmed on this trade, so risk free. Alright, we're at the low. Let's see it continue and make a new low. Yep, good. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice, NQ, yes.
Order filled.
Trim another 3. There's so many hesitations and pullbacks. Yeah, these are on the 5 challenges. New 5-minute. I mean, if we can get above 1500, that'd be very nice. But then we're focusing on the P&L, guys. Not good trading habits. We still got 6 micros left. Thank you, Stefan. Yeah, I still like shorts, honestly, and it just keeps making new lows. Yeah, it could be overextended, but I'm like, it just keeps making new lows, and if it ain't broke, don't fix it. This is the bottom. Was this the bottom area? This is the bottom area, and it broke out of it. Yeah, we're at 30 points. Thank you, Chez. Thank you, brother. Aggressive pullback right here. But, like I said, this is a risk-free trade. We got most out of our position. We're over out, what, 60% of the position? Yeah, that's a big pullback. Good thing we locked out most of the position. Still got 6 micros left. Let's go, Steve. 5 minis, Steve. Steve, you're just ripping him, man. Ripping him. Thanks, Stefan. I'm just documenting my journey as well, man. So, glad you guys can learn and improve one day at a time as well. Yeah. Tushar, you think so, man? We could still hit it, man. We can still hit it. Well, I don't have to get over 1500, but I would like to, because then we could pass in one day next week if we really have a good day. So, we're only $100 away, guys. Yeah, if we can earn over $1,500, I'll be happy. Then we can come back next week and hopefully have a banger day. Go! We've been in this trade for a minute. New low, new low, new low. Yep. Nice, Tushar. 5 minis. Steve, is that funded or challenges? And Q, we're $90 away, man. Where are these accounts at? Drop it like it's hot, NQ. I know you want to smack that lows, man. I know you want to smack them lows. Nice, Steve. Killing it, brother. On the funded, too. That's a good payday. Payday. Can we talk? That would have been bad. That would have been pretty bad. Imagine we ripped, what, like 60 micros on one account? Oh my gosh. Guys, that would have been bad. Bro, we're just stalling right here. No, 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 no. What is this candle? No. No. Yes, go down. Bro, I just want to be 1500. Then we can call it. Just drop, drop, drop. Bruh. Good thing we got a majority out of position. I mean, we entered with 15 micros and we trimmed 9 on the cells right here. So, those were good trims. That's how we trim, guys. So we lock in profits. But worst case, we get stopped out at break even on these. Still risk free. Let it ride. Let it go. Just go. Go down. We want to get to 1500. No. Go down, NQ. That's the power of micros, guys. Microman. Best microman in the house. See, if we were in minis, we can't really trim like that. We'd only have to, maybe if we enter with 2 minis, trim 1 mini, which is still okay. Go, 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 go. NQ just 1500. Come on, lock in. Call it a day. Call it a week. 1500. You're less than 15 points away, NQ. Dude, I like how I posted that video yesterday. Stop focusing on the result, focus on the and don't focus on the P&L. And what are we doing, guys? We're focusing on the results and the P&L right now. But they're challenges, so I'm like, I don't care, you know. But yeah, it does lead to bad habits. I would not do this with the funded, guys. I would not do this with the funded. Casey, you gotta start watching your own videos, man. Come on, lock in. We're literally doing what that video told us not to do. We're literally just... Dude, I just want to get at 1500 so we can just, like, have it easy next week. Bruh.
Stop filled.
Stopped out. Whatever. It was okay. At least we trimmed on the way down, but I thought we could keep ripping, honestly, so... All good, whatever. Yeah. Whatever. All good. We were really focusing on the P&L right there, guys. But that's why we trimmed on the way down. So we locked in profit. Stefan, God bless you, man. I hope you get better and get your back fixed and all that, and all that. Hope you can make trading work, man. So I'm glad we give you hope and that you're here with us one day at a time. That's why we're here, trying to get better one day at a time. So God bless you, Stefan. Wish you the best, man. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Yeah, guys, we were literally, that video last night literally said exactly not what to do and what we were doing in this last trade. It's okay. Like I said, they're challenges. I mean, we're above 1,000 now for the first time, so that's great progress on these challenges. I mean, we have to get them done by Friday next week. Ideally, I would like to get it done by Tuesday, realistically. But if we don't, then we have to start ripping some minis or something. But yeah, I think that's a good way to end the week, honestly. Yeah, we came close to 1,500, but hey, we got to stop focusing on the P&L and focus on the trade, and we can do that next week. So, I mean, if we have a nice winning days next week, we can pass these challenges in 2 days. There's always faith, Stefan. God bless. Thank the Lord. Every day, focus on Jesus, man. Amen. God bless. Focus on Jesus, guys. Oh yeah, 444, yes. Oh yes, 444. Very nice. Jesus King. Alright, March 27th. Great way to end a Good Friday, guys. Be still in my presence, even though countless tasks clamor for me your attention. Nothing is as important as spending time with me. While you wait in my presence, I do my best work within you, transforming you by renewing of your mind. If you skimp on this time with me, you may plunge headlong into the wrong activities. That is true. Missing the richness of what I have planned for you. Do not seek me primarily for what I can give you. Remember that I, the giver, am indefinitely greater than any gift I might impart to you. Though I delight in any blessings in my children, I am deeply grieved when my blessings become idols in their hearts. Anything can be an idol if it distracts you from me as you first love. When I am the ultimate desire of your heart, you are safe from the danger of idolatry as you wait in my presence. Enjoy the greatest gift of all, Christ in you, the hope of glory. Amen. God bless. That's a great way to end the week. God bless. Happy Friday, y'all. God bless. Amen. Amen. Jesus is King. God bless. Yeah, I think that's a great way to end a Friday, honestly. Amen, yeah. And guys, we're putting these little Jesus pieces. We're putting these little Jesus pieces around like areas I go. Like I put them in the gym and walking trails and stuff. And then when I go back to them, they're gone. A lot of them are gone. So people are taking them, which is nice. I put them on like little benches and everything. So yeah, that's a great way to end a Friday, honestly. Yeah, we're at $538 on the challenges. That's good progress. We're not gonna force it right now. We can trade them next week, and then we're up $156 on the funded. So that's not bad. So green yesterday and green today, not bad. Pretty good. I'll try to do market open next week. I'll try. Yeah, I'll try. I'm half Filipino, James Kelly. Yeah, half Filipino, brother. Pinoy, let's go. Alright, everyone. This is an amazing week, amazing streams. Thank you guys for always watching and supporting the channel as always. It really means a lot. So, God bless. Have an amazing Friday. Have a great, amazing, safe weekend. Have fun. And I'll see you guys next week. So, yeah, so nice progress on these accounts. So, yeah, God bless, guys. Have a great, amazing weekend. I'll see you guys next week. And, yeah, have a great, blessed, amazing weekend. Peace out. Much love.